on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making cafeteria noodles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of chicken broth, 1.5 cups of wide egg noodles, 3 tablespoons of butter, parsley flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You want to get a pot of boiling water and just add a little bit of salt. We're going to add in our wide egg noodles. We're going to let them boil for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat and drain your noodles and set them to the side. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add in our butter. We're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our chicken broth. To the chicken broth, we're going to add in our ground black pepper and our garlic powder. Just want to stir it until it's well combined. Once our broth has begun to boil, go ahead and add in your egg noodles. I'm going to go ahead and mix them, make sure they're well coated, and we're going to let them simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. You want your liquid to reduce and cling to the noodles. Okay guys, we're going to add a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it together. We're going to pour it into our noodles. That's just so our broth can thicken up. It'll give the noodles a nice coating. As you can see, the broth consistency is a little thicker. Okay guys, you can go ahead and turn your heat off. And our noodles are now done. Okay guys, now we're going to add some parsley flakes over top. And here you have it, our cafeteria noodles. They're great as a side dish for like a meatloaf or a Salisbury steak, or you can eat them by themselves. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?